Today's video from Casio Help, we're taking a look at the error message E017 on the SRS 500 or SRS 4000 registers. In this demo I'm using the 500, but the process is exactly the same on the 4000. It's a really strange error message to get on these machines because it basically means that table tracking or check tracking has been set up on the register, and obviously these machines aren't really designed for that. So 99 times out of 100 it's caused from something going wrong in the programming mode, someone doing some erroneous programming perhaps by mistake. When it happens, it's actually a very difficult error message to clear because the manual is absolutely no use whatsoever. So when you get the error message, it says enter check table number, and you're like, well, what's check or table number? I don't even have a check number or table number button to enter. If you consult the manual, which if you're looking on YouTube you probably already have, the error message table is equally unhelpful because it basically says attempt made to register an item without inputting a check number, and then the resolution is to input a check number. But obviously you've got a problem in that you don't have a check number button to enter one. So I'll clear the error message. I'll reconfirm that I've got the same problem that you have. So you can see I've got the key in the reg mode. I'm trying to input a sales transaction. I get the error message. If you've got Clark set up, you might think that resolving the problem by logging in would help, but you just get a beep. You go back to entering your sale and you just keep getting the error message. So the solution, although it's not in the manual, is fairly straightforward, and I'll go through it now. First of all, clear the error message by pressing the C button. Turn the key round to the PGM position and then arrow down to system setting. When that's highlighted, you press the big button here, CA amount 10, and we now need to enter a programming code that's going to come across as totally nonsensical, but it'll undo the erroneous programming that's been done on the machine. So you press number 3 here, followed by subtotal. You then enter the code 2622, followed by subtotal. You then press the 0 button, followed by CA amount 10, and finish off with subtotal. You get a little bit of paper printout, but you can just ignore that. Key back to the reg mode, and now when you try and process your transaction, you're able to without an error message. Hopefully that video has been really helpful to you. Don't forget to like the video if it has been, and you can also subscribe to this channel. And for more programming information and operational tutorials on the latest range of Casio cash registers, you can visit casiohelp.co.uk. Thanks for watching.